Hey guys, it is Wednesday. We are going to take notes on volume of cones. Yesterday we did volume of cylinders, and today we're going to do volume of cones. Make sure you write all this in your composition book, and you bring it to class tomorrow so you can do what you're supposed to do. Today's the 24th. Volume of cones. Okay, well, the formula for volume of cones is slightly different because it's not the same size as a cylinder. It's going to be 1/3 area of the base times the height. And we're going to solve these problems just like we did yesterday. We're leaving it in terms of pi. So here we go. Here's our cylinder, here's our cone. This value is 6 centimeters, or that distance. And this right here, the height of the cone, is 9 centimeters. So we're going to do just like we did yesterday. I'm going to find my area of my base first, which is still pi r squared. My radius is 6, and I'm going to square it. So 36 pi centimeters squared is the area of my base. Now I'm going to plug it in to my formula. So it's 1/3, the area of the base is 36 pi, the height of the object is 9. Simplify before you multiply. 3 goes into 36 12 times. 12 times 9 now is 108 pi centimeters cubed. And that is the volume of that cone. Number 2. The distance of that whole line, which hopefully you realize is the diameter, and the distance of the height is 8 centimeters. Again, first find the area of my base. The diameter is 16, which means the radius is 8, because radius is half the diameter. So this gives me 64 pi centimeters squared. Now plug it in to find the volume. Area of my base was 64 pi. The height is 8. Now here I can't simplify before I multiply, so what I'm going to do is multiply 64 times 8. That gives me 512. And now I'm going to divide 512 by 3. I'm going to add 2 decimals because I'm going to round it to the tenths place. So bring down my 2. 3 doesn't go into 2. Bring down a 0. 3 into 26 times. And as you see, it repeats. So I'm going to round this to the tenths position. So my volume is 170.7 pi centimeters cubed. Okay, now I want you to try these. Now remember, at any point you can stop, pause it, and then resume. And I apologize for yesterday, they were very blurry because I just put them up there. So I'm going to draw them and pay attention to make sure that they're not very blurry. Sorry, that line's not very straight. There's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And y'all don't make fun of my drawing because you know I can't draw. And there's number 4. I think everything is nice and visible. Make sure you have these 4 for tomorrow. Also, make sure you are continuing to work in your red workbook, 46 through 49. I assigned it last Friday. They are due on Friday when you walk into class. Hope you guys have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.